TAO just made a move that most people didn't see coming. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the key levels to avoid you from getting wrecked. And guys, if you're trading TAO, I highly recommend Weex Exchange. You can get up to 30,000 USDT bonus. You also got a deposit bonus. When you deposit, you get a 20% bonus. $1,000 will be $200. If you deposit $2,000, you get $400 completely for free for trading. The link is in the video description to get access to this. So yeah, highly recommend Weex. It's the main exchange that I'm using. Okay, so the trade that I'm currently in for the moment with TAO, I basically opened it here at 336 with a stop loss at 346, and we're currently sitting at 328. So I'm going to go over the levels of where I think TAO is going to go to. And then basically where it's going to bounce to, obviously, in this video. So as you can see, we've got the equilibrium down here. We've got a resistance level up here, resistance level here. And we're going to, what I'm basically looking at is coming down to equilibrium. My take profit is $319, okay? And that's in line with the equilibrium, also the fair value gap, also very close to previous breaker structure. And we will typically kind of come back to those levels as well. So that's the trades that I'm currently in that I opened a couple of hours ago, actually. And as you can see, it's going pretty well so far. So let's jump into the 4-hourly chart. So I think on the 4-hourly, it can actually go a bit lower. So as you can see, obviously, what we've had is we've kind of had that parabolic move to the upside. The RSI went all the way to what, 80 actually. 79.80. Now, this is the fair value gap that I'm looking at here. So it's between 322 and 314. So my stop loss, my take profit is at 319. However, we've got the EMAs and we do have another fair value gap all the way down here and there. Now, we don't always need to fill these, but when the fair value gap is in line with the equilibrium and is kind of basically where the previous support was here, then we've made that major move back. Typically, we'll come down, we touch into these levels, potentially fill that, go to the second area of support here, and then take the next leg up to the upside. So this is on the 4-hour. We have had quite a major move. So what goes up must come down. And if you look at the last TA that I did previously, if we actually go to the, where would it be? I think it was on the weekly chart. So this is the daily. We go to the weekly. So I said that there were two different scenarios. Basically, one is come up to the equilibrium, maybe go through it, then get rejected and fall back. And then the other one was basically go straight through it and kind of on a parabolic run, move sideways and then up to the next level. So it's kind of playing out in like scenario one, apart from it didn't really do that fake out, unless we come down to fill this and then we go up, have a double top here. And then go there. I don't really think that's likely right now. I think that we're just going to fall back a bit. And let's go back to the 4-hour. Second. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down. So the 1 hour is perfect. The 4 hours basically saying the same thing, but the 4 hours saying we can fall back a bit lower, maybe potentially sub 300, and then yeah, move down sideways. Now, if I have to look at this from the 4 hour, just zooming out slightly, I think we really need to come back to about 268 to about 280. So I'm gonna stay in this short. The take profit is at 319. Zooming out of the charts, I might turn this into a swing trade and make it a bit longer actually. So I think we're going to hit that 319 potentially today. It's currently 27th of March, Friday. Obviously we've got the weekend, so I might even change that to 307, just really zooming out the charts. I think we really do have to come down. Obviously Bitcoin is currently sitting at 67,693. So Bitcoin's taken a dump today. I think TAO does have to have that retracement before we take that next leg up. So guys, that is everything for today's video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will be back shortly with another TAO update. See you soon.